Backyard Bathing in Sunshine by Makarand Joshi. Hi, and welcome to my channel Makarand Joshi Painting. This video is about painting a landscape. This video is divided into two parts. The first one is about the process, and the second one is reflection. About the process, I would say I have used both the commonly used techniques in watercolor, the wet in wet technique and the wet over dry technique. When it comes to reflection, I would say that apart from being pretty happy with the effect of crispy sunshine, especially in the white column and also in leaves and bushes, I was also happy to give it a real serious shot to a composition in the landscape without depicting any mountain or a hill. Usually, my landscapes do have some hill or a mountain, but this one does not have, and I was pretty happy to try something new in this. So enjoy the process. The fun begins here. Note that I pre-wet the area I intend to paint. Painting pointed leaves. Finally, when the drawing process was over, I was pretty sure that I'm going to give visual significance to these three areas marked in green here.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내
If you like this video and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Until then, I wish you happy painting and happy viewing.